Hello, welcome to Conf42, Python 2025. My name is Ashok Jonnalagadda. I'm going to discuss about revolutionizing data center operations. It is a quantitative analysis of AI-driven optimization. Without any delay, let's get into the topic. Coming to the predictive maintenance, it is about reducing equipment failures. Coming to the AI-powered early warning system, our machine learning algorithm process real-time sensors, achieving a 47% reduction in unexpected failures. The system provides critical alerts up to 72 hours before potential issues arise, enabling proactive maintenance. Coming to the continuous performance monitoring, with a 96% prediction accuracy through advanced monitoring of temperature, vibration, and power patterns, we prevent an average of 127 hours of downtime per quarter, maximizing operational efficiency. And coming to the resource optimization, in terms of maximizing efficiency, improved resource utilization. AI-powered system achieved a 31% improvement in resource utilization by dynamically allocating computing resources based on real-time workload analysis and automated capacity management. Coming to the reduced server latency, advanced machine learning algorithm reduced server latency by 38% through intelligent load balancing and predictive traffic management, resulting in 42% faster application response time. Coming to the energy management, in terms of optimizing cooling systems, enhanced cooling efficiency, advanced deep learning model achieved a 42% improvement in cooling efficiency through real-time temperature optimization and smart airflow management. This resulted in annual energy savings of 3.2 million kilowatt hours across our facilities. Reduced PUE. Through AI-driven thermal mapping and intelligent load distribution, we reduced power usage effectiveness PUE from 1.6 to 1.7 to below 1.25 within 6 months. This 23% reduction in cooling costs translates to 2.8 million of savings. Security, advanced threat detection and response. So 98.5% accuracy detecting the security incidents. Our AI-powered security framework achieved 98.5% in identifying potential threats, analyzing over 1 million security events per second, while maintaining a false positive rate below 0.01%. Coming to the reduced response times, critical security incidents are now addressed within 45 seconds, an 85% improvement over manual intervention. This rapid response capability has been prevented 99.9% of attempted breaches across our global infrastructure network. Coming to the capacity planning, the predictive future demand. In this, the model we used is a neural network model. Our advanced deep learning framework leverages ISTM neural network to achieve 96% accuracy in demand forecasting, processing 5 years of historical data across 2,000 performance metrics to predict capacity needs up to 18 months in advance. Proactive scaling. By analyzing workload patterns and resource utilization trends, our prediction system automatically initiates scaling operations 72 hours before demand spikes, resulting in finite service availability and a 42% reduction in over-provisioning cost while maintaining optimal performance across all systems. Cost savings and return on investment, ROI, annual savings. These AI implementations have collectively resulted in average annual savings of 2.4 million for enterprise scale deployments. Increased efficiency. By automating process and optimization resources, AI solution reduce operation cost and improve overall efficiency. Enhanced competitive advantage. AI-driven data center operations deliver a competitive edge by enabling business to adapt changing needs and deliver superior performance. Coming to the integration challenges and practical insights. In terms of data quality, implementing a robust data validation protocol and cleansing pipelines to ensure consistent, accurate, and properly labeled datasets for AI training. Coming to the model training, balancing computational cost with model complexity while maintaining extensive training datasets across diverse operational scenarios. Coming to the deployment and monitoring, establishing a continuous integration pipelines, performance metrics, and automated monitoring system to ensure reliable model performance in production environments. Case studies, the real-world implementations. In terms of small data centers, a regional cloud provider with 800 kilowatt facility implemented AI-driven cooling optimization, resulting in 35% energy savings, which in terms of around $450K annually, while improving equipment reliability by 28% and reducing carbon emission by 420 tons per year, which is beautiful. And then coming to the large-scale data centers, a Fortune 500 company, more than 6 megawatt data center deployed AI-based predictive maintenance, cutting equipment failures by 40%, achieving 5 nines uptime, and saving 2.1 millions annually. And roadmap for future AI adoption. We can achieve this in 3 steps. Step 1, expand AI applications, and then improve AI model accuracy. And number 3 is foster collaborations. Conclusion: embracing AI for data center excellence. AI-driven optimization offers significant benefits for data center operations, including increased efficiency, reduced cost, and enhanced reliability. By embracing AI, data center can achieve a new level of excellence and unlock the full potential of the infrastructure. And then let me know any questions. Thank you, and thank you for giving this opportunity.